I got you.
Lead, this is Talk. Status of the active shooter threat is currently unknown. Move in and secure the area quickly.
On me, move.
Got your back.
Fucking pussy!
Enter the room and clear.
Nothing here, sir.
LSPD!
Down on your knees!
Looks clear over here, boss.
Looks clear over here, boss.
I'll take it.
Safe. Cuffing. Got him.
Post up and provide cover.
Stacking.
Jesus Christ.
Shit, it's locked.
C2, bang and clear.
No problem.
Got some bang for your buck. Deploying explosive. Set.
Hands up!
The suspect has taken civilians prisoner.
Got an opening up ahead.
Down.
Put your hands up!
Talk reporting.
right.
The suspect has taken
I
hostage.
got cuffs. Suspect cuffed and secured. Suspect in custody.
Police, down on the
Proceed
ground!
with mission.
Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Arrest him.
I'll get him ready. This is procedure. Civilian, ready to go.
Get down now!
I'll get it.
Falling behind me.
Evidence good to go.
Enter and clear.
On it.
I'm gonna remember you when I get out.
Opening on the left.
On my 6.
On you.
Shut the fuck up.
Provide support.
I'm with you.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
Drop the weapon! Move in, clear the room. Down on your knees! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Police, get down! Let me see those hands! Hands on your head! Do it now! Cuff him.
Restraining.
Restrain him.
Got him.
Hands up! Drop to your
Proceed
knees!
with your mission.
Police, get your hands up! Get on the ground! Now! Hands on your head! Now! Cuff him! On me.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Hey, good to go. Take this shit out.
Civilian restrained. Civilian, good to go. Entry team to top.
Move on.
Good to go. Compliant.
Fall in.
On your 6.
Post up and cover the area.
Got it.
No dice on the door.
Breach and clear with C2.
Copy. Explosive ready. Readying explosive. I'll...
LSPD, don't move! Put your hands up!
Empty over here.
Hands up above your head! Get down on your knees!
No, get the fuck
Cuff
away
him.
from me. I got him.
Let's stick out.
Post up and cover.
Ready.
We're getting you out of here. I just want to go home.
Locked. Not happening.
Deploy C2, then flashbangs. Clear the room.
Ready. Now it's a party. Let's blow it. Setting it.
Hands up!
Got an opening up ahead.
Police, hands up!
Raise your hands above
Hands Provide support on
You have
me.
anything in your pockets?
Look away. Don't move.
On the street.
Civilians moved to TOC.
Let's go.
Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Stay on me.
Got your back.
Can't go to jail. My mom and brother rely on me. My name is DeMarcus, and I go to San Uriel High. You have the wrong person.
Cover the area.
Roger.
Door's good.
Ask my mom and brother.
Kick the door. Clear with flash.
Taking it down.
Hands up! Down! Hands up! Now! Put your hands
Make them
up!
stable and proceed with mission.
Light stick out. Nothing here, sir.
Entry team
Coming
to
into
TOC.
handcuffs.
Device
Entry team,
located.
This is TOC.
Safe.
Secure the area and we'll send forensics in.
Suspect ready to go.
Get down and keep your hands up! Enter the room and clear.
I'm telling you, I don't know what I did wrong. I stream games and mine crypto.
Move in. Clear the room.
That's affirmative.
I'm going.
Opening on the left.
Sir?
Nothing here, sir.
Nothing here, sir.
On me. Move. Dynamic movement. Move
Getting
and
into
clear.
place.
Fall in behind me.
Right with you.
Fucking assholes on the internet.
On my six.
You got point.
Move in and clear.
In position.
Move and clear.
Always to the left.
Breaching!
Good here.
Keep watching my stream doing this crap.
Enter the room and clear.
Moving into place.
Provide support.
Got your thing.
TOC. Suspect is
Document
deceased.
Proceed with mission.
I'll zip it up.
Secured. Get the fuck back here!
This is TOC. That's how we get it done, folks. Roll in for debrief.